Yeah, good morning, friends. I welcome you all to this career guidance session for engineering students organized by Vetri Engineering Academy, a unit of Vetri IAS Study Circuit. I'm Dr. Murali Krishna. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Dr. Murali Krishna, Associate Director at Vetri Engineering Academy. I completed my BTech Civil Engineering in the year 1999 from Nagarjuna University, Andhra Pradesh. And then I did my master's in hydrology and water resource engineering from Anna University, College of Engineering, India. And then I also completed my PhD in civil engineering from College of Engineering, India, Anna University in the year 2010. So for the past 21 years, I am into this teaching as well as research activities. Today, along with me, I have my colleague, Mr. Raju Govindarajan sir. Sir has completed his BE Civil Engineering from BE Mechanical Engineering from ACT campus, Anna University, in the year 1997. And then Sir also completed his Master's in Aerospace Engineering from MIT campus, Mumbai, in the year 2000. And Sir is having almost more than 21 years of experience in various sectors, starting with the industry. And then now he has moved into the teaching as well as research activities. So today's session, myself and Raju sir will be sharing our views. Okay. For the focus is to civil mechanical as well as electrical engineering students. So the friends, the session is going both in offline as well as online. So in offline, few of our students are sitting here. So online, I think students have joined. If anybody is for online students, you can able to even open your mic at the end of the session and you can ask the questions for any clarifications. For offline students, at any point of time, you can able to ask any clarifications. So with this background, let us start our session. Friends, any engineering student, once he is stepping into any engineering program, immediately he will be fixing up his mind. He will be setting his own goals as well as the objectives. So what may be the initial goal any engineering student can have in mind? Any idea? Offline friends, some of you are here. Yeah. What may be your immediate goal once you join into college? What is that comes to your mind? Yeah, exams. Good. Yeah, then the next one. Placements. Placements. Yeah. Exactly. So the mindset of engineering student when they are stepping into engineering college, so first and foremost thing is they wanted to clear all the subjects within the given 4 years period of time. Engineering is of 4 years. So within that described time period, they wanted to complete the degree. That is the first year. Right? Then next one, what they try to do, they will try to, if possible, they will try to increase or try to get some good CGPA in hand. And then at the end of 4 years, they will try to get one job in hand and they wanted to go out or step out from the college with a smiling face. This is what is the aim of or goal of any engineering student when they join in the engineering program. That is what we call as the short-term goal for any engineering students. That is what is the short-term goal. And by fixing that short-term goals, so they may give the priority. So based on whatever I have given here, so students may opt for placements, students may opt for higher studies, students may go for entrepreneurship skills. Right? By fixing the short-term goals itself. Why? Because why I am telling this, at the end of 4 years, some of the students may opt for placement activity. Other students may go for higher studies and other. Yes, sir. So these are all the short-term goals. When coming to long-term goals, right? So for any engineering student, after entering into their professional career, okay. So down the line, after 10 years, or 15 years, or 20 years of time period, at what position they wanted to place themselves. That defines the long term. So we need to have a separate skill set, right, in order to achieve this short term method as well as the long term. Yes, sir. So for short term goal, right? So what are the things we need to do. In order to achieve the short-term goal, as we said, we have to clear the subjects, get good CGPA, get job. What is that we have to do? So the basic requirement is nothing but first thing is we need to be very regular to the college. That is most important. So engineering subjects are very tough. I think concept oriented subjects, once we are missing the classes, definitely there won't be any linkage to topic and topic where the students will try to find some difficulties. So first thing is the students must have to be punctual to the college on regular basis. Yes, sir. The next one, you have to be attending the class, both physically and mentally. You have to present in the class. So understand the subject, understand the concept. So with good thorough understanding of the subject, you can able to improve your CGPA. And also, apart from your subject knowledge, in order to get some good job, you have to strengthen yourselves with some additional extra skill set. So that skill set differs from what is the type of job you are going to choose. Yes, sir. So that will see in the next slides. Okay. So this is what is the immediate requirement. That is, this is what is the steps you have to follow in order to achieve your short-term goal. Right. So next. So coming to the, as we have seen in the previous slide, as students will be having different types of goals, right? So here, coming to the placement, in case of government as well as private sectors, job opportunities in core as well as IT firms. That's what I was telling. So in order to have a job in hand, right, in core sector, we have separate skill set. If you wanted to go for IT companies, you have to have separate skill set. See, nowadays, based on the National Education Policy 2020, and also the AICT model curriculum, these two are most important. So based on this, the current engineering students for the past, I can say, for the past 7 or 8 years, graduated students, they have got many opportunities in order to explore themselves. What I'm trying to say here is, if any student wanted to get some good job in core companies, see here we have the opportunity for the students to undergo the honors as well as the minor degree programs. Yes or no? Honors degree, minor degree program. So based on the AICT model curriculum, if any student have cleared or have earned 160, approximately 160 credits, he or she can able to get the degree in that particular field. Right? So apart from this 160, now there is a provision that in addition 18 to 20 credits, if any student can able to earn or study, they can able to be awarded with an additional degree. That is, supposing that BE Civil Engineering, if you able to study this 160 credits, will be getting degree in BE Civil Engineering. In addition to this, if you able to study another 18 to 20 credits in any of different verticals of that particular branches. Supposing in civil engineering, we have different verticals. JS and small cities, we have transportation engineering, we have geospatial technologies, we have. So if you able to, what I'm trying to say is, in after getting some basic civil engineering knowledge, if you able to study some advanced courses related to civil engineering field, you can able to get the honors degree. So once you able to get the honors degree, you can able to enhance or you can able to increase your job opportunities in the core sector. Yes, sir. Once you able to get the honors degree in hand, that means you are specialized with extra skill set compared to other students. Students we have studied honors degree has separate skill set so that the opportunities or job opportunities for them are little higher. So similarly, if any student wanted to do some interdisciplinary courses, so there is a provision with minor degree. That means civil engineering student can able to study few subjects or can able to study and get some and few subjects in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering or computer science engineering. Okay, so they can able to study another here also for minor degree also 18 to 20 study in different sector, they will be provided with. The degree will be in BA Civil Engineering, minor maybe data science, if students are interested, or machine learning, or AR, VR, so many things. So students, a civil engineering student can able to add a degree in civil engineering. Along with that, they can able to get a minor degree in machine learning. So what is happening here? A civil engineering student now his job opportunities are increasing. Not only the core field, they can able to move to some other fields. So these are all the various opportunities what the engineering students now they have based on this national education policy and other AICTE model. So students, yeah, job opportunities in core as well as the IT companies is the first one. Second most important thing. So many students who are neglecting this one, job opportunities in various departments of state, central government sectors as well as public sector on that thing. So most important. So majority of the students. So the thing is that the awareness of engineering students is very less regarding this point. Job opportunities in central government, state government as well as PS. Now let us see. Yeah. See this one. So the list of various state and central government organizations where the civil, mechanical, and triple D students can have the job opportunities. See the number of companies starting with Central Public Works Department. See, I have divided that into UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, State Public Service Commission. So all the, programs, see, Central CPWD, we have the job opportunities. Railway Recruitment Board, we have Military Engineering Services, we have Central Water Commission, we have National Highway Authority of India, we have, right? We have ISRO, separately Indian Space Research Organization. So many number of opportunities in this ISRO arising for the past 5 to 6 years. We have Airport Authority of India, Port Trust, we have Department of Atomic Energy, we have the BOT, IZIGA. Yes, sir. See, many number of government organizations, they have the opening. So only thing is students, all the time, once you complete, once you are into engineering, many of the students are not focusing this sector. Not focusing this sector. Even in the state government sector also, we have the PWD, Water Supply and Sewerage Board, Municipal Corporation, we have Pollution Control Board, WRD, so on. Right? So majority of the, organizations are common to all the 3 core engineering fields, civil, mechanical, as well as triple E. So for this one, I think National Disaster Management, and then we have the Indian Ordnance Factory for mechanical separately. Opportunities are available. Right, for electrical students, we have National Hydroelectric Power Corporation and so many things. Even the Metro Rail Corporation also we have the many number of opportunities now. So it's a very big sector in which the students are not, focusing much. So my sincere advice for all the core engineering students, civil, mechanical, as well as triple G students, we have to have a look into this one, right? So once you enter into this, majority of the organizations, so not only from this UPSC or SPSC, State Public Service Commission, some of the organizations they will be, posting their requirements in their own websites also. So we have to follow all these things, right? So this is the list what we have. Then we have, yeah, see this one. So any student, so why I have given this one is if any student joining any state or central government organization, see the flowchart what I have given here. For the, opportunities for them. So any student joining as an assistant engineer, the starting salary package in state as well as central government organization starts with approximately 7.2 lakhs. A student joining in any government sector as assistant engineer, see the promotion levels, they will be able to promote it to assistant executive engineer, then to executive engineer, superintending engineer, we have engineering in chief, as a chief engineer, and then engineering in chief. A small, a boy stepping out from the college, if he able to enter in any government sector as assistant engineer, he is having the opportunity to sit in the topmost position. This is the topmost position. Engineering in chief is the topmost position in each and every state, who is the person having authority for all the engineering departments. So that is the opportunity what we have, right? So the salary wise also you see, starting from assistant engineer to the engineering in chief. See the salary wise improvement. So based on the experience and also based on the expertise, the promotions will be awarded. So compared to private sector, see the other benefits what the government, job holders are having. So they can able to have the facility. In cities, it is very difficult to find the house. We need to spend much time, much more. Okay. So if you are into government job, there is an opportunity, right? Getting the quarters, facility, vehicle facility. We have contribution pension scheme. We can able to have the leave encashment, and then we have health insurance for the entire family, and also the other loans, housing loan or education allowance loans, vehicle loan. Okay, at lower interest rates. So these are the extra benefits what any engineering or any government job holder can have, right? So maximum benefit that compared to the the private sector, right? So it is one thing. And then, yeah, see this one, as we were discussing, career opportunities. Again, I am restricting ourselves to civil, mechanical, as well as triple G students. Number of public sector organized PSUs undertakings where the students have the job opportunities. So starting with civil engineering, we have BHEL, we have ONGC, NTPC, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Gas Authority Limited, we have Steel Authority of India Limited, Bharat Petroleum, Hindustan Aeronauticals, so many. So once any student is getting into this type of public sector undertaking, his life will settle. His life will settle. Understand? Huge number of opportunities. Here also, as I was mentioning, so this public sector undertaking requirements. So each and every, company or organization, they will be updating on their own websites and also through paper ads. So you have to follow. You have to follow continuously their own websites in order to know what are the opportunities available under each sector. Right? So civil, mechanical, as well as triple G students we have. Then, yeah. The next thing, so coming to our three different options what we have given. So placement jobs, and then the second one what we have listed was higher studies. So any student who is not interested for going job, so they may be interested to do their higher studies. So in order to go for higher studies, these are the opportunities we have for engineering students. If they wanted to do their MS or PhD, they have to write the GRE profile. SR1. This you have to write. And then if you wanted to do your MBA, you have to go for GMAT. And if you wanted to do MTech or ME in India, right? Most important, if you wanted to do ME or MTech in India, you have to write GATE. This is all in the examination. And this set is nothing but the examination conducted by Tamil Nadu, Anna University. So if you wanted to join for any MTech programs in Anna University affiliated colleges, you have to write the set examination. And if you wanted to do MBA in India, you have to go with the CAT. These are the provisions what we have for higher studies, right? So let us concentrate on this particular one. So ME, MTech. So what are the opportunities for the students if a student is trying to write the GATE examination, right? Yeah. Yeah. GATE examination, abbreviation we have graduate aptitude test in engineering. It is conducted by, it is all India examination first of all. It is conducted by these IITs. 7 IITs are having the authority to conduct this GATE examination. And also IISc Bangalore, right? So 2024 GATE examination was conducted by IISc Bangalore. 2025 GATE exam, India, Roorkee, IIT Roorkee, correct? So some of you might have registered for this, yes or no? So GATE examination. So previous 2023, I think IIT Kanpur, they have conducted since. And then IIT Kharagpur 2022. Right? IIT Kharagpur. So these are the, the IITs who have authority to conduct the GATE examination. Right? So let us see the pattern of GATE examination. There is one. So GATE examination is for 100 marks, having 65%. The duration is 3 hours. So this 65%, we have three different type of questions. One is the multiple choice question. We have multi-select questions and then numerical answer type questions. So the marks awarded for this is either 1 mark question or 2 marks. So all the 65% again divided into 3 categories. One is the questions approximately for 15 marks. Questions may come from general aptitude, and then engineering mathematics around 13 marks. 1 or 2 marks it may differ, and then subject-wise questions 72 marks. Totally 100 marks. Totally 100 marks. Okay, so this is a computer-based test. So on every year, so this GATE examination will be conducted in the month of February, either the second week of weekend of the February or the last weekend of the February, based on the slots be able to choose, and then you can able to write. Yes, sir. So what are the opportunities for a student if he is writing GATE examination? What are the opportunities? Any idea? What are the opportunities? Higher studies, yeah, higher studies. Exactly. So whatever you have told, you see, opportunities. Once a student is getting some good GATE rank, good GATE score, directly you can able to join in PSUs, public sector undertakings. So many of the PSUs, if a student is having GATE score, immediately the weightage given for that particular student will be very, very high. In interview also, separate marks will be allocated. The student is having this much GATE score, yes. Some of the organizations, some of the PSUs, if GATE score is mandatory to attend the interview process. If the student is having only GATE score, then only they will be allowed to write the exam or to attend the interview. So any student is having good GATE score, they can able to have opportunities in PSUs. And second one, so they can able to do ME, MTech or PhD in reputed institutions, IITs, NITs, triple ITs, state and central government universities, top universities, etc. Yes, sir. So any student at undergraduate level, they might have studied in one ordinary college, above average college. If you wanted to pursue some good degree, if you wanted to study in some good institutions like these reputed institutions, opportunity for them to study and write the GATE examination, get some good GATE score, join in top institutions. So during while studying this courses, India or MTech, students are provided with scholarship also. Scholarship, hostel facility, everything will be available. And also, when you study in this type of reputed institutions, definitely your knowledge levels will be definitely improved. And also, at the end of the program, the job opportunities are high. At the same time, the salary packages what you are going to get is also high. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So second one. Third one, some of the MNCs, if when they are trying to shortlist the students, even the private sectors, they take the TCS, Infosys, CTS, these type of organizations also, they give preference for the students having GATE. In the biodata, if they able to see the student has qualified GATE with this much percentage, definitely some weightage will be. So ultimately, what I can able to tell, one examination, right? So only one examination, one exam, you have n number of opportunities. One examination, n number of opportunities. So students, you have to see or you have to look into this aspects very seriously. So try to, prepare for the GATE examination. So GATE examination, the score whatever you get, it is valid for 3 years. Earlier it was only 2 years. Now they have increased that to 3 years. So any student who is in third year is eligible to write the GATE examination. So third and final year students can able to write the GATE examination. So in coming sessions, in future course, so we'll have a separate session on how to prepare for the GATE and what are the various opportunities for the GATE. That will have a separate session. Why? Because once we start discussing about the GATE, it takes minimum of 1 to 1.5 hours time. Now we'll discuss about the syllabus and also post GATE, counseling session. That means after GATE, if you have the GATE score, how to proceed with that. What are the various areas we can able to go and join. So all those things we will discuss in separate sessions. Okay. So ultimately, in order to get some good score in GATE, we need to have only one mantra, what I can say. Have LCS. What is this? Any guess? LCS. Any guess? L stands for learn. L stands for learn. So whatever you learn, try to learn with zeal. Try to learn with confidence. Try to learn with some commitment. Put all your effort. Learn something. Learn this skill set. So once you learn, then what C stands for? After learning, what you have to do? Yes? Compete. Once you learn something, you have to go and appear for some examinations. You have to expose yourselves without any fear. Go and write as many number of examinations as possible. Okay? Then only the opportunities will pour in. Yes or no? So without any fear, you have to compete with your competitors. Then once you learn, compete, what S stands for? S stands for success. That's all. Succeed. So learn with confidence, compete without fear, get the success. That's all. Very simple. Very simple. You have to keep this in mind. So once you prepare like this, okay, definitely. So we'll have a separate session on this or GATE, right? So next we have engineering service examination. As we were discussing about the GATE, similarly we have the engineering service examination, right? So it's of two-stage examination pattern. We have the prelims and the mains examination. So on the prelims we have the multiple choice questions completely. So both the papers, first paper may be on general studies and second may be on engineering aptitude. So all in the prelims examinations, all the questions will be of MCQs. Whereas coming to main examination, we have to write the conventional way of mode of examination. So compared to GATE, so it is little higher level, advanced level. The effort what we have to put here is little higher. So once we are able to clear the engineering service examination, so these are all the various organizations where we have the opportunities. So students, you can have the Indian Railway Services, job opportunities, Indian Supply Services, Indian Navy, Central Water Engineering, Power Engineering, and so on. Army Engineering Services, many opportunities under this sector, right? So ultimately, what I can able to say, any student, if you are preparing for GATE examination or engineering service examination, right? So it's very easy to clear all other competitive examinations. All other state as well as central competitive examinations, it will become very easy. Why? Because the syllabus and the preparation levels is little higher here in case of GATE as well as engineering exam, engineering service examinations. Right? If that is the case, I think we can wind up. Thank you. Thank you so much.